here. Tell us all about it.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Cry, baby, cry.
Look at her swallowing.
I know. She's like, what's this new sensation?
You want this?
You know.
I can't get in too tight up here.
You can put it down. Or oxygen.
What's it on? I can't see it.
90.
You're gonna have to change that.
Where are you looking at that? Oh,
Up there.
yeah, I mean, that's like that.
There.
Angel! Oh!
How's that? Get that bottom lip action going on.
I gotta get close.
Oh, we can hear you.
Oh, she's mad.
Oh, the lip. Crumpling lip.
Oh,
Oh, baby, cough it up. Good girl. I'll show this to your mommy.
That'll make her happy.
Poor mama.
And she's just, she's
Calling
driving me
every 2
crazy.
seconds.
Yeah. Poor baby wants to be here and watch her baby.
My mom doesn't feel good.
No, in fact, doctor said wait for a day or so just because
Make sure
my
we don't have
dad's-
anything fun stuff
yeah.
going on.
Yeah.
my dad's sick and she's not feeling well and
Oops.
I can get stills out of these and send it to you, Kim.
I know, but I like to send them to Jessie and
Mama.
Oh,
Give little mama kiss. Go, nah.
Oh, don't cry.
oh, mine's not working.
Aw.
See?
Hey, Haley.
That's your fingers.
Haley, what's all this new sensation, huh? Oh, just cut the
Yeah,
bottom
yeah.
lip
Let
out.
me get closer. Oh, beautiful.
Good girl. Oh,
Oh.
what's all this? You're taking good care of her.
Ooh.
What is that?
Get out the coca.
That way you don't have a tape mustache.
You can hear all that
Gunky.
gurgling, yeah.
I'm just
Get that out.
cleaning your face.
Look under her chin. Looks like she has some chocolate cookies or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All kinds of happy little surprises under there, huh?
You just don't know.
Quiver, quiver.
All right. I'm done with you.
Oh, neat.
Oh, she's
So
nice.
is it normal for him to be that gunky for a while? After
You
the
can. Some are more
Oh,
gunky
yeah.
than others, but yeah. So,
Look, she's
Oh.
pushing that out with her nose, her scream. She's pushing her nasal cannula out.
yeah, peanuts. Yeah, yeah.
Let's go nice. Poor pumpkin.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
honey. There.
You go back to sleep, baby girl.
We gotta send it to everyone now. Your Uncle John.
There, see? Thanks, Ava. So I'll activate and maybe get one about 5 then?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh,
out
she's
there.
bad.